AutoDS has a strict refund policy. Refunds are not guaranteed and are granted only in very specific cases, usually within the first 3 to 7 days of purchase, and only if you haven't used the service significantly. Most users report that refunds are difficult to obtain after the trial or initial period, but you can try the following steps. Steps to request a refund. Log in to your AutoDS account. Go to AutoDS.com, sign in with your registered email. Go to Billing or Subscription section, Dashboard. Click your profile, top right. Billing or Subscriptions and Payments. Find your active plan. Look for Manage Subscription, Cancel, or Request Refund. Submit a refund request via Support, main method. If you can't find Direct Refund button, go to Help and Support, bottom right chat icon, or Help Center. Open live chat, fastest, or submit a ticket, Support, Contact Us. Write a clear message. I would like to request a refund for my plan name, subscription purchased on date. Reason, brief reason, for example, not suitable for my business or unable to use due to technical issues or within refund window. Order ID, your order or subscription ID. Attach screenshots if you have proof, for example, error messages, failed imports. What to expect. AutoDS support typically responds within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes faster in chat. If approved, refund goes back to original payment method, PayPal, Stripe, card, within 5 to 10 business days. If denied, they often cite service already used, past refund window, or non-refundable after trial. Common refund window, 3 to 14 days from purchase. Check your order confirmation email or their terms of service.